Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can troubleshoot, in other words, solve common problems that you might run into as you use Xulendo. So what are some of the problems that might occur as you're using the platform? Some common problems might be related to internet connection loss and also the browser compatibility. So how do you solve internet related issues? So it's just good to note that when you run into an internet connectivity or internet connection problem, Xulendo will not be responsible. And uh, the only help we can offer is to advise you or uh, teach you on how you can solve that problem. So this is how. Let's take you're using Xulendo and all of a sudden you lose connection to your internet. So how do you do that? How do you make sure you fix that problem? So make sure you check that your device is still connected, or you're still connected to your mobile data or Wi-Fi. So this is how you're going to check. For example, in my case, if I lost connection, then I could go ahead and open to check if I'm still connected to my Wi-Fi. So this shows that I'm still connected. So even on be it your laptop or desktop or even your mobile phone, you're going to have some indication or some signal to show you that you're connected or you're disconnected from the internet. In my case, this shows the orange bar around the Wi-Fi icon shows that I'm connected to the internet. If I lost connection, then it could show something like the above, that I'm not connected. So similarly, on the mobile phone, maybe you might find that there's a signal that shows you now you're not connected to the internet anymore. Or on the desktop, you might see something below your screen, maybe to the bottom right, to show you an exclamation mark symbol to show you that now you're disconnected from the internet. Now, what's another problem that you might run into, and how can you solve it? So the browser compatibility. Now, sometimes you might be using an outdated browser as you use Xulendo. So the site is not going to be so compatible, or it's not going to respond to the browser version that you're using. Now, as a result, it might show you an error message that maybe the client side has done something, or the site has run into a problem. So how do you make sure you solve that? So if you're able to reach or arrive on the start page or the home page of Xulendo, then you might want to utilize the help button at the very top. So if you click on the help button, this is another guide, the help guide, where you're going to get all the help if you do not understand how something works on Xulendo or you have run into an error. So you need to click on the help button, and then you would want to navigate to um, uh, under advanced use. Now you have Yusuf software. So go ahead and click on Yusuf software, and it will take you to this page. It says Yusuf software and it's under support and resources. So under the Yusuf software, you have a Yusuf software link. This is a link which is going to direct you to another page where you're going to be able to download the up-to-date browsers for your computer, your laptop, or your desktop. So if you click on that, and then you have this page. So it still says Yusuf software, and then you have the browser links. So currently, the recommended browsers for Xulendo are Firefox and Chrome. So you can choose which one you prefer, and then you click on the download bar or link. Then this should be able to take you to the download page where you can download your preferred up-to-date browser. So this is how you can solve or troubleshoot some of the common problems that you might run into as you are browsing Xulendo. And another common problem that you see now and then is the content not found. This is simply because Xulendo is still developing, so we still need more content. And for us to do that, we still rely on users like you. So, for example, you say, let's take you're looking for something, content. You go to Form 2 maybe, and then select any subject. I'll go for agriculture, and then maybe um, surface irrigation system, and then you only have one. Now, if you click on that, you might maybe want to, okay, I'll still go back and go to text. Then instead of text here, I'll change the type and put experiment. So you see now, so agriculture under this topic, we do not have any experiments. So you run into this error. It says no results. So we could not find any result for your search. So this is some error that you're going to see now and then, simply because Xulendo is still developing. So in real sense, if you run into that error, then you do not have any control. You cannot solve it. The only way to solve it is if we have more content on the platform. So if you feel like you have relevant content that you would like to share with us, please you can email us or WhatsApp us through the WhatsApp link that is just below the page, or else reach out to Xulendo experts present at your school to give your material so that we can upload to the platform for the good of everyone and the benefit of our students in secondary schools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.